Hey guys, today we're gonna look at this Gearwrench screwdriver set. I don't know the part number off the top of my head, unfortunately. Um, I know this one was on sale for a steal on when I bought it on Amazon. I think it went back up to full price, but even at, I think they went like 30 or 40 bucks for a set. It's still a great deal. And the reason I came up with this video is I was watching my own tool cart tour last night, and the amount of times I said, maybe I'll do a video on this one day. I'm like, well, now I gotta do a video on it. So I said I'd do a video on the set one day, so we'll open it up. Comes in a nice case. The only problem I've ever had is this logo peeled off once. Yeah, big deal. Here's what you got. So, yeah, that glow is gonna be obnoxious. But this is probably the main handle we'll use. And you can, pretty decent ratchet mechanism. And you got a stubby, quarter hex, and a quarter bit, regular, quarter hex, quarter bit, or quarter bit, quarter square, quarter hex, bit, same thing, and square. You got a connector, and you got these two flexible extensions, and a T-handle, and pretty decent bit set. Start with the bit set. I don't know all the sizes actually off the top of my head. What does that say? T10. Sorry, T8 through, focus, T40. This is SA. You got both SA and metric. Metric is 3 to, it looks like an 8. Whoops. Yeah, 3 through 8. You got, let's see, from 1/8 to 5/16. Looks like you got a number 0, Phillips. Yep, you got 0 through number 3, and then you got actually a 4mm flathead to a 6.5mm flathead. 5/32 Phillips through quarter, or flat through quarter flat. Sorry, it's been a long day. The full size one, you want those 2 marks though, you turn and line up and you can store extra bits inside. I really don't. Another great addition to that set would be to keep your mini bit ratchet set close by. But the cool thing, see these handles are all interchangeable. I can put a socket, quarter-inch socket on that. I can put quarter bit. And I keep an absolute ton of screwdriver bits in my cart. But what I really like about this set, also, is T-handles. Come on, you're stuck. I might have stole that from Tech May. Sorry. Is leave it locked, and you just break it loose, and I can spin out. In fact, I think I did steal that because there's the knack tools, hammers. What this is what these quarter square and quarter square, you stick that on, and you can stick whatever else you need in the end to make a longer one. But I don't know if Gearwrench actually condones this or not, but it's a regular, where am I? Quarter-inch square. So here I have a quarter-inch square extension, and I can stick that in here, and I have what would normally be a drive-in, stick that in, and then take my screwdriver bit. Sure, it's a little thick, but it'll reach, and you know, you can make yourself a nice long Phillips, or even I got this really long extension. I don't know the length on these off the top of my head. I can stick that in there and stick this in here. And suddenly I have a really long Phillips. Or, you know, I stick a, what is that, T30 in there. Now I have a really long T30. Or maybe I'm doing dash work and it's held in by 8s. Well, now I have a really long 8mm. Or, you know, maybe I have a small hose clamp. Oh, long quarter-inch, you know, you get the idea. I got a little carried away with that, but, you know, you can use them like that. The other thing I've found is sorry, had to go look for a tool. Didn't know what this was. If you take a short quarter-inch extension, this thing's probably about an inch long, and then take this guy, snap down there, then you put this in here, check it out. And then you have nice, long, slim bit ratchet that's a little bit thinner than this thing. So you can use them like that too. Again, not sure if Gearwrench condones this, but it does work. I have done it. This is a very versatile set. You can make a lot of different tools with this set combined with some other simple tools that you likely have. And these quarter-inch extensions, these long extensions, are actually Harbor Freight. I want to say it was only a 3-piece set with, you know, your super long 3/8, which I mostly use for starters, sometimes other bolts, and these 2 super long quarters. Dash work, certain air boxes, you know, all kinds of things. You never know when you're going to need a long extension. But, you know, with the really long extension, I mean, you could essentially make an infinite length screwdriver with enough extensions. But when I figured this one out, oh my gosh, I was great. Reach in there, break something loose. Well, put it to the off direction. Break something loose and spin it out. Yeah, you could do that with the T-handle too, but, you know. And the cool thing, it's like a, you know, flip sock. I can yank that out, have whatever socket I need on there, and then jam it in, boom, socket, ratchet extension. That's what's nice about quarter-inch square. It's handy. And they call this a stubby. I actually use this a lot. You know, it's good to fin. And, they make actual stubbies, and they make these aren't even that short, you know, stubby screwdriver. Man, that looks green on there. So, yeah. I don't think there's... Also, this tray comes out, however, it's not flat on the bottom, so it may not sit in your toolbox if that's what you're intending. And, oh yeah, I guess you could pop them out right here. I haven't ever tried separating this. I guess you could just set this thing in your box and pile stuff here, I don't know. For me, it's either in this case with stuff on top of it, it's all out in a drawer. But yeah, that's this Gearwrench set. I'll try and look up the part number and put it in the comments, or description rather, and put a link to it there where you can buy it. If it's still made, which I'm pretty sure is. It's a really good set. Gearwrench's lifetime warranty, as far as I'm still aware. And I've really never had a problem with it. The other thing is if you can store things, store those in there. But a little hard to get out. But if you're going on the road, it's great. Because you can put these two and this one in here. Jam your two long ones in here. And whatever, because, So, tell me what little trick you like the most. And do me a favor. A lot of people have this set, and maybe they haven't thought of these tricks. Share it. Teach someone about this. Show them how to be more versatile with their tools. Maybe even you have the set and you learn something. I definitely recommend getting a set. So, until next time, comment. Also, comment down below, like I said. Until next time, I will... Well, wait, I messed up closing up. Again, it's been a long day. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.